What's up guys, Chuck Palmer here with another video on the household vacuum. A household vacuum works very hard to keep our houses clean, and even though this is a cleaning tool, this needs to be clean as well to keep running in top shape. In this video, I will show you how to safely clean any Hoover wind tunnel vacuum by washing the internal parts. Let's start with the filter. Push this little knob here to remove the dustbin. Then push this knob here to open the lid that covers the filter. From here I can remove the filter. You can see that this filter needs to be cleaned. If this filter gets extremely dirty, air in the vacuum system will not flow freely, which will result in the motor working harder than it should. This can make the motor overheat, which will result in the motor shutting down to protect itself from burning out. There is a switch right here which indicates when the filter needs to be clean. This switch works by changing from green to red when the filter needs to be clean. The vacuum will have to be turned on for this switch to work. Run water through the filter and squeeze until the water going through is clear. No tool or detergent is needed to wash this. Try to knock most of the water out and leave to dry overnight before use. Having two filters would be a good idea. Now, let's safely clean the dustbin. To clean this properly, we need to take it apart. To take it apart, follow these steps. Get a star head screwdriver and remove these 3 screws. Take this lid off along with this seal here. Take out this centerpiece by turning in the counterclockwise direction. You can see a lot of dust here, and I will wash at the pipe with a car detailing brush. No soap is needed. These are the pieces all cleaned. After the filter and all the other parts are dried, put them back together. This can only be installed one way. Just find the smallest side here to match with the smallest notch here. Insert and turn clockwise to lock in place. Reinstall this seal. I will clean it a bit first. Align the holes in the seal with the screw holes. Install the lid aligning the screw holes as well. Insert the screws and tighten with a screwdriver. Now that the filter and the dustbin are clean, use a wet cloth to wipe down the housing to have the vacuum looking clean and nice. Install the dustbin and enjoy using again. See link to other videos in the description below showing how to maintain and repair any wind tunnel Hoover vacuum. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. Also, hit the notification bell to be notified as soon as I upload a new video. See you on the next one, guys.